Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm here today with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow your edges using this an omega H3. Yeah, omega H3 also help in stimulating hair growth. I just found out about it myself. Yeah, because I tried it on my hair. I tried it on my hair, just like took one capsule tablet, took one capsule of it, and I like put it on my palm, and I like applied it on my edges for just 2 days, and I saw a difference. Like there was difference in it, like when your hair is growing, you know now. So yeah, so I saw a difference in it. So I decided to share it with you guys. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow your edges using an omega H3. So apparently I don't, you can choose to use it like that, but the smell is really awful. So I'm going to be mixing it with this. It has a nice scent. Maybe it can kill the awful smell on it. So depending on if you have something that actually smell nice, you can actually mix it with your omega H3, but I'm going to be using this is what I have, so I'll make use of what I have. So I'm already done mixing mine. I mixed just one capsule of my omega H3 with that oil or hair cream I showed you guys. So now I'm going to apply it to my hair scalp. I'm going to massage it to my hair scalp, and this mixture triggers hair growth, it promotes hair strength, it provides essential protein and nutrients to your hair. So you see, it's really rich for your hair. So you might want to like apply enough of it and massage it to your hair scalp properly. Yeah, for it to work effectively. So I'm done with mine. So you can just like leave it like this, or like it's just like your normal hair cream. So you just like leave it like this, and you can just comb your hair, style your hair. You can as well add it to your full hair cream. Like you can add it to your full hair cream. You can add the quantity of the omega H3 you use is, it depends on the quantity of your cream. So you can apply it to your hair cream. You can also use it for your edges. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. So please do comment and subscribe. Please do subscribe. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys. Bye.